And also, you're one of the public figures. You don't.
Far from all I see, to die fighting to be free, what more fitting end could be? Better that I say my sooth, I'd rather die demanding truth, while I'm still akin to youth. Better now that I'm made own, now that fear of death is gone, never mind another dawn. Because if you're the president and somebody really wanted you, I don't care how much you had security, if somebody would give their life for you, they'd come up and say, give me your autograph. And just take me, don't care. So when a person don't care for his life, you dead. So how can I worry about all the people in the world, all the countries who want me? I don't know. If it happens, it's God's will. If I ride an airplane, I'm not scared of nothing. And I fly every day and I hate them.
You still hate them?
Man, we got in a thunderstorm a couple of weeks ago, and that plane went up, went down, the wings did that, and the back tail of the plane shook, and I almost knew it was going to split and crack. Could you imagine a plane cracking up while you're not dead yet and it split, and you flying out, ah! And you're out there, you're flying through the clouds, and you're waiting to hit the ground, ah! He's the supreme, the wise. So if I can't depend on him, if I get a body going, I'm telling God, I don't trust you. I'm telling God, I'm watching for everybody. He gets at the gun, I'll watch for somebody. No. Allah is my God.
What about when